Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change the theme of Line Messenger. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to change the theme of Line Messenger. Maybe you want to try new themes because you think the current thing is not very much interesting and you are done using it and now you want to add something. Or maybe you have seen someone else line messenger and it really inspired you because their theme was really nice and you want to try that one. Or it could be any other reason for you to change the theme of line messenger. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed the Line Messenger, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once it get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account. And once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Line Messenger to open the app. Once app gets open, you will see its interface. As you can see right now, the theme is black. So to change it, we have an option in front of our eyes in the middle of the page, which is theme. Here you can see you just have to simply select this option because through this option we can easily download and can apply any theme of our choice. Once you tap on it, it will just take a while, and once it get done, it will show you different kind of themes on your home page. So here some of the themes are paid, so you have to purchase them, and some of them are free and you can get access to them for free. So if you are willing to pay, then you can purchase them. Otherwise, there's a variety available for the free themes and you can choose any one of these. At the top, we have three options: rank, new, and recommended. If you click on rank, then you will see all the themes that are into trending or maybe used by a lot of people. So it will show you some of these. And if you go to new, you will see all the new and whatever is new in the market. These themes will be here, and if you want to purchase any one of these, you can purchase them. But if you go to this option recommended, here you will see all the different themes that are related to what you do on the app, or maybe it's just sometimes recommended by the app. So at the top we have four free ones. So if I click onto this one, it will appear like this, and you can see that it will appear when you chat with someone. And if you're okay with that, if you want to download it, you just have to simply click on this green option which says download this one. Once you tap on it, it will just take a while to download this theme, and once these themes get downloaded, it will ask you for some permission. You can like skip it and move on. After that, you just have to simply click on this option. By doing this, it will apply the theme to your Line Messenger. Now we just have to get back to our home page of the Line Messenger, and here you can see the theme that we just selected and downloaded has been applied, and now it will work according to it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change the theme of Line Messenger. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.